This is Amelia Smith on behalf of Expert Village, and we'll be talking about the care and styling of curly hair. As far as going from day to night with curly hair, you really have a lot of options, especially now where the look for more formal styles is very messy, a lot of tendrils coming down in the face and around the neck. So really what I suggest having on hand is an alligator clip, something like this, and a few bobby pins. And what I'm going to do with Lauren's hair is I'm just going to leave some of these pieces down around her face, and I'm just going to grab a section of hair. I'm not going to make it a real defined section, and it doesn't have to be perfect. When it comes to hair, you don't want perfection. And I'm just going to twist it up. Take my bobby pin and just pin it in. Same on the other side. Again, it doesn't have to be completely uniform. And you want some of these curls to come down. It adds softness to the face. Now you just twist it and put your bobby pin right in. And that's one look. That would be good for a weekend. And let's say that night you've got to go somewhere. You can take the rest of the hair and just twist it. Take your alligator clip, which everyone should have in their purse. And just clip it in there. Make sure it's secure. Scrunch a few more pieces. Maybe add a couple pins to secure some curls. A little spray. And you've got a look for the Academy Awards. If you'll just turn your head.